So you want to enhance your videos and make cool and simple effects like this? Then let me show you. Okay, so now we have Davinci Resolve opened up and I have a new timeline here, as you can see. And I'm going to jump into my media pool and I will find my clip, which is going to be this one. Now I will find my starting point. It's going to be roughly right there. And that's my end point. And I'm going to drag and duplicate it. And I'm going to place it on track number 3. And then I will find a new text plus layer, which I will place in between. And you can see that layer now. So I will do like this. And I will write cool effects. And I will zoom it a little bit so we get it a little bit bigger. And then I will narrow down the tracking a little bit there. Yes. So we have our text right now that we want to place behind our subject, which is me. So then I'm going to enable this one. And firstly, I want to add a alpha output. So I will right click here in the node area, add alpha output, and I'll drag it to connect it. And then I'm going to come back here to the magic mask. And I'm going to press this one. I'm going to start just, and there you have it. I think that is almost perfect. And then I'm going to come down here again and I'm going to track backward and forward. So that will take a minute, but there you have this effect. So you can play around a little bit with it if you want. You can duplicate your text layer to create more text if you want to like chop it up a little bit or a kind of subtitle. Then you can also do that if you want to keep the effect going while you're talking. So that is how you do it. I will show you a different one that I did before, and this is graded, so here you can kind of see what I meant by chopping it up and creating a little bit more out of it. So the baby is up. And here you see the timeline. I have several things here. You can place whatever you want beneath the top layer. Everything will appear behind your subject. So please subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.